So now moving to our question number first of exercise 1.4. So what is our question? That minus 30 divided by 10. You have to evaluate the statement. What is the meaning of evaluate? Evaluate means that you have to solve this question. So now let us move on and solve this question. So to solve this question, you have to do nothing. You have to simply divide 13 from 10. But one thing is there that you have to keep in mind that what sign will come in front of the integers. If you want to find out that what sign will come in front of the integer, firstly we will solve the question, then we will discuss about it. Now let us keep here minus 30 and 10. So let us, for 1 minute we forget this minus sign. Okay, for 1 minute just forget this minus sign and let us just keep in mind the division. So simply, what is 10 divided by 30? It is 0 cancelled by 0 and 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. So this is 3. 10 divided by 30 is 3. But one thing is there that which sign will come in front of 3? Plus, minus, minus. Yes, you have to put the sign in front of it by doing the same way as we did in the multiplication. So this was our first part. Now let us move to our second part. So now moving to our B part. What is our B part? 50 divided from 5. So you have to do all the questions the same way as we have done the A part. So let us solve it. You will write here minus 50 divided by 5 and 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So this will be 10 but in minus because plus minus minus. So this will be minus 10. So this was our part number first. Now let us, this was our part number B. Now let us come to our part number C. Now moving to our C part. What is our C part? Minus 39 divided from minus 9. So now let us solve it. You have to firstly write it this way, minus 39 from minus 9. So 9, actually in the question it is 36. So this will be 36. Okay, now 9 ones are 9 and 9 fours are 36. So this will be 4 in positive because minus minus plus, or you can say that minus is cancelled with minus. के minus minus के साथ cancel हो गया. So this will come as 4. So this was our C part. Now let us come to our D part. Now coming to our part number D. What is our part number D? Minus 49 from 49. So you will write it the same way. You will write it minus 49 divided by 49. So 49 ones are 49. So this will be 1 in negative because plus minus minus. So this will come as minus 1. So this was our part number D. Now let us come to our part number E. Now moving to our part number D, as according to the BODMAS rule, you have to firstly solve out the brackets. So firstly we will solve out minus 2 plus 1. So this will be 13 divided from minus 2 plus 1 and this will be plus minus minus. 2 minus 1 is 1 and which one is bigger? 1 or 2? 2 is bigger and the sign in front of 2 is of minus. So ये minus 1 आ जाएगा. Now let us divide 13 from minus 1. So we will write it as 13 from minus 1. And 1 ones are 1, 1 13s are 13. So this will come as 13 in an negative integer, because plus minus minus. So this will be minus 13. This was our part number E. Now let us come to our part number F. Now this was now this is our part number F, which is 0 divided from minus 12. So there is no need to get confused that now how we will solve this question. To solve this question, actually you have to do nothing. You can simply write it as 0 because 0 is neutral and no sign in front of 0. There was no sign in front of 0. Or you can solve it, you can also solve it 0, 0 ones are 0. Actually 0 is neutral, so any integer divided from 0 is 0. So you can simply write here 0. And there is no sign in front of 0, whether it is minus or plus. This was our part number S. So now let us come to our part number G. Now moving to our part number G. So what you will do here, you will firstly solve out the brackets. And how you will solve out the brackets? You will firstly write here 31 divided from bracket. So now let us solve out the bracket. To solve the bracket, I can plus minus minus. I will write here minus and minus minus plus. 30 plus 1 is 31. So we will write it as 31. And minus or plus? Which one is bigger, 1 or 30? 30 is bigger and the sign in front of 30 is of minus. So this will be minus 31. And now let us divide 31 from 31. We will simply write here minus 31 and minus 31. So now it is very easy to solve this question. Minus is cancelled with minus, or you can say that 2 negative makes a positive. So this will be, the integer will be in plus, and 31 ones are 31. So the answer will be 1. So this was our part number G. Now let us come to our part number H. Now moving to our part number H. What is our part number H? 36 divided from 12 divided by 3. So according to the BODMAS rule, you will firstly solve out the bracket, and to solve out the bracket you will firstly divide minus 36 from 12. So now let us solve it. So to solve it, can I write here that 12 divided from minus 36? So I can write it like this, divided by 3. So what is 12 ones are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So this will be minus 3 divided from 3, because 12 3s are 36, and plus minus minus. So this will be minus 3 divided by 3. So now let us divide minus 3 from 3. You can write here like it as minus 3 divided from 3. So you will divide it, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. So this will be 1, but in minus, because plus minus minus. So this will be minus 1. So this is our part number H. Now let us come to our part number I. Now coming to our part number I, what is our part number I? Minus 6 plus 5 divided from minus 2 plus 1. So you have to solve the questions as the same way you have solved the previous questions. You will firstly solve out the brackets. You will solve both the brackets accordingly. आप दोनों brackets को साथ में solve करोगे. So let us solve the brackets. Plus minus minus. So what is 6 minus 5? 6 minus 5 is 1. And what will be the sign, plus or minus? Which one is bigger, 6 or 5? 6 is bigger, and the sign in front of 6 is of minus. So this will be minus 1 divided from, let us solve this bracket out. So this will be plus minus minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here we will write out 1, and इसके आगे कौन सा साइन लगेगा? Which one is bigger, 2 or 1? 2 is bigger, and the sign in front of 2 is of minus. So this will be minus 1. Now let us divide minus 1 from minus 1. तो minus के साथ minus cancel हो गया, और you can say that 2 negatives make a positive. So this will be 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this will be 1. So this was our question number first. Now let us come to our question number second.